Hello everyone. So in this session we will see that how we can install the Apex Recipes app in our playground. Okay. So Apex Recipe are some predefined classes provided by Salesforce. Okay. So many classes are already present there and we can use them for our development. So if once you install this app in your Salesforce org, you can see those classes, although you can see on GitHub also, but it's very difficult to see all the classes at once. So we'll install this Apex recipe in our trailer playground. Okay, so for this, so there are three options to install this app. One is Scratch.org, you can install it, then using unlock package, and in your trailer playground. So we are following the third one. Okay, so for this I have created a playground in Trailhead. So once you have created this playground and you launch it, you will get a tab here, get your login credentials. So here you will get the link to reset your password. So once you click on this, you will get the email and you can reset your password, because password we will need later. Okay, so once your password is generated and you are into your playground, okay, do some settings which are mentioned here also. Okay, enable DevHub in your trailer playground. Okay, it's enabled. I'm doing this one also. Okay, I'm doing this one also. This one, okay. And do one more setting. Do this thing also. Go to setup and platform cache. And just click on this request trial capacity. Okay. And trial capacity is available for us. Okay. Now what's the next step? So currently I'm not into a project, so let me create a new one. Create project with Manifest. Standard test Apex recipes. Okay. Now clone this Git repository. Okay, so these things are already came into your local. Now change the folder. Okay, now we are into the Apex recipe folder. Now what's next? We need to authenticate our new generated playground. Then do it. Okay, what's our username? Username is this one. Allow. Why it is not showing that? Okay, we are already authenticated our org. Now select the org, okay, and set as default. Okay, now what's next? We already authenticated. Now we need to deploy the app. So components are deployed. And we can check here. Mm. Mm. Okay. Now what's next? Now we need to assign these permissions at. Done. Now we need to create some sample data. Our first JSON file, it will create some data. Okay, first one done. Second one. Okay, second one also done. Now we need to run the anonymous code. Just type this command. Okay, this is also done. Now, although our org is already open, but I will open from here. So just open it. Now it's open. Let's see that Apex Recipe app is already there or not. So go to App Launcher, go to Apex Recipe and load it. So here you can see so many classes are already written, and you can see their actual class, their test class, and their about their documentation. Okay, what's happening in that class. So here we have so many things: custom metadata, data recipe, DML recipe, so many things. So you can just follow these classes. Here we can see we have metadata trigger handler framework also, so we can follow this. Okay. What else? So many things are there. Integration classes. Okay. Schema, recipe. So many things are there. So now it's installed in your Trailer Playground. Now you can use it. Thank you so much.